In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save NinjaTrader Chart. By the end, you'll know exactly how to preserve your favorite chart layout, so you can reuse it anytime without rebuilding it from scratch. First, make sure the chart you want to preserve is open. This should be the chart that already looks the way you like it: your preferred bar type, colors, panel arrangement, indicators with your custom settings, and any other visual adjustments you've made. Think of this chart as your master layout that you'll want to replicate quickly in the future. Next, move your mouse inside the actual chart area and right-click. It's important to right-click within the main chart canvas, not on the tabs or the edges. Right-clicking inside the chart brings up a context menu with options specific to what you see on screen. From that menu, go to Templates, then choose Save As. This is the command that captures your chart's visual properties and indicator configurations into a reusable template. A template is basically a snapshot of your chart's look and feel, which makes it easy to keep your setups consistent across instruments and timeframes. It's especially helpful if you use multiple layouts for different strategies, such as a clean price action template and a separate one loaded with indicators. A dialog will appear asking for a template name. Type something descriptive and memorable. A good practice is to include the instrument category, the time frame, and any special characteristics. For example, Futures 5 Min Trend, Forex 15 Min Clean, or Equities Daily Swing. Clear names save time later and help prevent accidentally overwriting a layout you want to keep. If you work with different color themes, you might also note that in the name like dark or light, so you instantly know what to expect. Finally, click Save. That's it. The template is now stored and ready for reuse whenever you want to maintain a consistent look across other charts. This simple habit streamlines your workflow, reduces setup errors, and makes your charting much more efficient. If you often experiment with indicators, creating a few well-named templates lets you switch between styles confidently, knowing you can always return to a proven layout. To recap, open the chart you want to preserve, right-click inside it, choose Templates and Save As, give your template a clear, descriptive name, and click Save. With that, you've locked in your layout and made it easy to replicate. Thanks for watching, and enjoy faster, cleaner charting with your saved NinjaTrader templates.